Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this Olympiad question, which is 2 to the power m plus 4 to the power m plus 8 to the power m is equal to 39. We can find the value of m. So guys, if you are talented, then comment your answer, and if you are student, then follow my method. I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, I can start solution of this question. So our solution is 2 to the power m plus 4 to the power m plus 8 to the power m is equal to 39. Now guys, I can write it as 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power 2 whole m plus 2 to the power 3 whole m is equal to 39. I can write 4 2 to the power 2 because 2 times 2 equal to 14 and 2 times 3 which is equal to 8. Okay, now in next step guys, I can write it as 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power m whole square plus 2 to the power m whole cube is equal to 39. Okay guys, now I can suppose that let 2m is equal to 2 to the power m is equal to x. Okay guys, I can suppose it. So here I can put 2 to the power m is equal to x. So x plus x square plus x cube is equal to 39. Okay guys, now I can arrange this as so x cube plus x square plus x is equal to 39. Okay, now I can write it as x cube plus x square plus x here 39 I can come from this side, so it will be minus 39 equal to 0. Okay guys, now in next step x cube plus x square plus x minus 39 I can write it as 27 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0, because when we add 27 plus 9 plus 3, then the answer is 39. Okay guys, now I can write it as x cube I can carry from minus 27 here, so it minus 27 plus x square plus 9 I can write here. When we multiply minus to all, then it should all be equal minus. Okay, means minus 27 minus 9 and minus 3. So I can write here x cube minus 27 x square minus 9. Okay guys, I can write here minus 9 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. I hope guys from here you can understand. Now in next step guys, I can write this as x cube minus 3 cube. Okay guys, now I can write here x square minus 3 square. Okay, and I can write again plus into x minus 3 as it is equal to 0. Now guys, we can know the cube formula, which is when a cube minus b cube, then we can write it as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, and this formula we can write as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now we can write this as, so x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9 plus into x plus 3 into x minus 3 and plus x minus 3 as it is. Okay guys, now here I can write it as x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I can write it x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 1x 4x plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is 13, is equal to 0. Okay guys, now x minus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus 4x plus 13 equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is equal to x is equal to 3. So we can suppose here before that x is equal to 2m. Okay, I can see you that we can suppose before that let 2m is equal to x. So I can write here 2 to the power m is equal to 3. Now I can log both sides. So log 2 to the power m is equal to log 3. Okay. Now guys, m come before, so m log 2 is equal to log 3. Okay. Now here I can m is equal to log 3 divided by log 2. Okay. Now finally we can write as m is equal to log 3 2. Guys, this is the final value of m. Now I can see the next one. So I can write here b square minus 4ac. So value put, so 4 square minus 4 dot 1 dot 13. So 4 square is 16 minus 52. 13 times 4, which is 52. So the answer is minus 36 is less than 0. So this is a guys complex number. This is complex number, not real number. Okay guys, so our answer is m log 3 2. Guys, now I can verify to you and check to you that either log 2 to the power log m value is log 3 to the power log 2 is correct or not. So I can verify it in next page. So I can write here guys, check. The expression is 2 to the power m plus 4 to the power m plus 8 to the power m is equal to 39. I can put the value of m, which is log 3 2. So 2 log 3 2 plus 4 log 3 2 plus 8 log 3 2 is equal to 39. Okay guys, now I can write it as 2 log 3 2 plus 4. I can write it as 2 square log 3 2 plus 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8 log 3 2 is equal to 39. Guys, now 2 log 3 2 plus this 2 I can write here. So 2 log 3 2, I can this 2 move from here, so I can write 2 here, plus 2 log 3 2, and this 3 move from here, so I can write here 3 is equal to 39. Okay guys, now I can write it as 3 plus 3 square, okay, plus 3 cube is equal to 39. Okay, now 3 plus 3 to the power whole square plus 3 to the power whole cube, which is equal to 39, is equal to 39. Guys, this is the final answer of this question. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing videos. Thanks a lot.